Lesson 14.
Repeat.
Midday. Midnight.
Explanation.
When it's 12 o'clock during the day, we say it's midday. When it's 12 o'clock during the night, we say it's midnight.
Questions.
Do people eat at midday? Do people eat at midday? Yes, people eat at midday. Do people sleep at midnight? Do people sleep at midnight? Yes, people sleep at midnight. Do children go to school at midnight? Do children go to school at midnight? No, children don't go to school at midnight.
Repeat.
Breakfast. Lunch. Supper.
Explanation.
We eat breakfast in the morning. Between midday and 1 o'clock, we eat lunch. In the evening, we eat supper.
Questions.
When do we eat breakfast? When do we eat breakfast? We eat breakfast in the morning. What time do people eat lunch? What time do people eat lunch? People eat lunch between midday and 1 o'clock. Do people have lunch after 11 o'clock? Do people have lunch after 11 o'clock? Yes, people have lunch after 11 o'clock. Do we have supper in the evening or in the morning? Do we have supper in the evening or in the morning? We have supper in the evening.
Repeat.
Dinner. Instead of. Meals of the day.
Explanation.
Some people use the word dinner instead of supper. Breakfast, lunch, and supper, or dinner, are meals of the day.
Questions.
What do some people say instead of supper? What do some people say instead of supper? Some people say dinner instead of supper. What's the first meal of the day? What's the first meal of the day? The first meal of the day is breakfast. What's the second meal of the day? What's the second meal of the day? The second meal of the day is lunch. What's the evening meal of the day? What's the evening meal of the day? The evening meal of the day is supper or dinner.
Repeat.
Who? Who is? Whose?
Explanation.
Whose is the contraction of who is.
Questions.
What's the contraction of who is? What's the contraction of who is? The contraction of who is whose. Who's this? Who's this? This is David. Who's this? Who's this? This is Jessica. Who am I? Who am I? You're the teacher. Who are you? Who are you? I'm the student.
Repeat.
Something. Someone. Specifically.
Explanation.
Something means a non-specific thing. Example, I have something here for you. You don't know what it is specifically, but you know it's something. Someone means a non-specific person. Example, someone here is saying you are good looking. You don't know which person specifically, but you know it's someone.
Questions.
Is something a non-specific thing? Is something a non-specific thing? Yes, something is a non-specific thing. Is an apple something? Is an apple something? Yes, an apple is something. Is this something small? Is this something small? Yes, it's something small. Is David someone? Is David someone? Yes, David is someone. Are you someone? Are you someone? Yes, I'm someone.
Repeat.
Tell.
Explanation.
Tell means to say something to someone.
Questions.
Tell me where you're from, please. Tell me where you're from, please. I'm from. Tell me the name of something we read. Tell me the name of something we read. A book is the name of something we read. Tell me the name of someone who likes to talk. Tell me the name of someone who likes to talk. Jessica is someone who likes to talk. Tell me something that is yellow and in the sky. Tell me something that is yellow and in the sky. The sun is yellow and in the sky. Tell me the name of someone who goes to work. Tell me the name of someone who goes to work. David goes to work.
Repeat.
8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th.
Questions.
Tell me what comes after 7th. Tell me what comes after 7th. 8th comes after 7th. What comes between 9th and 11th? What comes between 9th and 11th? 10th comes between 9th and 11th. So what comes before 12th? So what comes before 12th? 11th comes before 12th.